Alright, so we're making homemade Instapot mac and cheese. We're going to put an entire container of Kroger Simple Truth chicken broth. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to put some garlic powder, some salt, pepper, and some hot sauce. And then we're going to put it into the Instapot with the mac and cheese noodles. Okay, so we're going to put 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. Oh, that's a little bit more than a teaspoon, but that's okay. We're going to put this entire container of chicken broth. Two tablespoons of butter. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and you're going to give it one good stir around in the Instapot just to make sure that the spices don't ball up in one area. And then you're going to put your pot on, make sure that the back is sealed, and you're going to push the rice button and leave it. Let it cook for the time and then pull it out and make the sauce.